Namaste and welcome. Today is day 15. This feels amazing. Are you excited to have sailed through halfway in your journey? Because this is an achievement. And if you're not appreciating yourself today, let me tell you, no one's going to appreciate you if you don't start seeing the worth in you. And that's true. Showing up here on this mat every day is a big achievement. And I'm super glad that you're prioritizing yourself. Yes, let's start with a comfortable seat. Allow your body to relax. Take two rolls in your shoulder, neck straight, and sit tall. Just stay with your breath with no expectations. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant three sounds of Om. Inhale. Have a beautiful intention for this amazing day, for this beautiful practice. And gently relax your hands. Adding some neck rotation. Exhale, drop your head. Inhale, lift and circle it back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Reverse the direction. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come back center. Pressing your right palm on your right side of your head to strengthen your shoulders down. Press and push through. Push, push, push. Resist. Don't let your head tilt. And release. Same thing on the other side. Push, push through. Stronger, stronger. Push and release. Slowly drop your chin down. Take your hands behind the head and resist from your hands. Resist, resist. Stronger and release. From the front, resist more, resist more. Resist and release. We'll do chin tucks. In this chin tuck, you push the chin back, hold it there, and then release it to neutral. The mistake that always happens is once you go back, you have a tendency of pushing the chin ahead. We don't want that. Okay? Keep the chin neutral, back and to the neutral. Okay? Not ahead. Let's go. Hands here. Push, hold, release. 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 Push, hold and stay. And release. Amazing. We'll do some just movement in the upper torso region. So you're going to take your arms ahead as if in the older times in India we used to do the makhan making process used to be with a wooden dal and a rope around it, and the ladies would do this. So we're going to do this but with the hands open, and every time You're doing this, look back at the palm. And release center. Amazing. Let's hold the hands. Let's keep the hands on the knees and push it back. Lean it back around your spine. And inhale, arch and look up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch and look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Release. From here, let's come into lying down on the stomach. Once you're here, just release the head and shake your hips. Relax your toes. Shake your hips. From here, we're going to do something very simple. Okay, your hands are on your elbows and shoulder in one line. Okay, just keep the knees down, tuck the tailbone in. Watch, tuck the tailbone in, and keep the core engaged, keep the glutes squeezed to lift up into a knee plank, and then release down. And we do this in repetition. Easy? Let's get started. Exhale, engage, tuck the tailbone in, lift up and down. Don't fully drop yourself. Keep the body engaged. Up and down. Up. My navel does not touch the floor even when I go down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Whew. Good job. Keep going. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Keep looking at your navel. Exhale. Up and down. Last two. Up and down. Last one. Up and down. Good job. Relax your head and breathe. From here, we'll just go for few cobras. So your palms under the shoulder. You come halfway up and exhale, go down. Remember, I'm not straightening my arms completely. Halfway up and down. Halfway up and down. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try to minimize the use of the hands. As less weight as you can on the palms. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold it up. Hold. Exhale, release. Bend both the knees. Reach for your ankle and push it to your hips as much as you can. If you want, you can also push it from the side of your hip towards the floor. Let's add the squeeze in the hips and stay. Breathe. Hmm. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale. 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 Exhale from your mouth. Release the arms. Relax your face. Relax your head. Stay there. From here, press the palms on the floor. Push back into child's pose. And from child's pose, press the palms, hips up, knees up, downward facing dog. Paddle the knees. So bend your right knee, bend your left knee, bend the right and the left, bend the right, bend the left. From here, just the legs are hip width apart, not close to each other. Now lift up both the heels together. You can watch me. As your both the heels are off, you'll drop both the heels on the right side. And keep pressing the left palm and stay. Breathe. Inhale, lift up the heels and drop on the left side. Press the palms. Knees straight. Slowly lift up the heels. Drop it back. Drop the knees. Go into child's pose. Relax your head. Relax your palms behind and breathe. From here, very slowly, let's lie down for relaxation. Going ahead and lying down on your back. Thank you.